Oh my God. Ouch. Ow. Hey, Lauren, but I got that on camera. You good, buddy?
Yeah.
Boy, Zach was flying.
Yeah, I took that way too fast. Oh, I fucked my foot up.
I was like, where do I go? Take a breath. Damn, everyone wiping out today, huh?
Thanks.
You good?
Yeah, I got my shin pretty good.
Man, at least you fell on the grass, to be honest.
Yeah.
Left! Jesus, Zach! Are you good?
Yeah.
Jake!
Fuck me.
I think Zach's about to... Oh, your nose.
My nose?
Yeah.
Is it fucked?
Yeah, it looks like you might have smashed your glasses.
Oh, it's not like bent or anything.
No, but it's like, it's raw.
Oh. You smacked my
Yeah.
chest.
He basically did a more exaggerated version.